High quality monitors and TVs are heavy and expensive. The solution slim portable monitor from AliExpress. Link in the description and a discount code in the description. Let's unbox it. You will find a manual which will show you all the specs and connectivity. I don't think this is for that monitor especially. I think they included to all the monitors because it says 4K, and I don't think this is a 4K monitor. Link in the description for the 4K one. There are many different specs. Screen protector. That's super cool. Accessories for the screen protector. That's also super cool. We do have power brick. Nice. USB type A. And was the power brick cable. Yep. A to C. Quite long one. Right. I think like a meter. Mini HDMI to HDMI. It's not a micro, it's a mini. And lightning cable. The cable itself is very expensive. So, yeah. And a device. There you go. All right. It has a magnetic cover, which is super cool. Ports. We do have a lightning, both of them. Mini HDMI. Wow. It's so thin and light. And on the other side, power button, menu slider. Maybe it's a microphone, I'm not sure. And headphone jack. Wow. And feet. Also the speakers. 2 of them. Or maybe just 2 holes and 1 speaker. Most likely. Look how thin that is and light. All right, let me just open it. I already touched the screen so with a fingerprint, but you know, it's a magnet. It is a magnet. Pretty strong one, I guess. And when you just put it like that, it will hold. It says 4K, 240 Hz, USB Type-C, mini HDMI. We need to test that. Main question is it going to work with a smartphone without any additional power, just a lightning cable directly to it? Come on. No signal, and there you go. It's not a 4K. I wish. It's Full HD, 60. Smooth. We like that. Game. There you go, a full screen game, so you can play a game if you wanted to. That's super cool. Let me just put it back a little bit. And let me focus on the screen. All right. That is cool. That is super cool. How do I shut? Okay. Ah, they got me. I'm used to play on the Xbox pad, not this, but that doesn't matter. For now. Well. Yeah! Winning! Haha! That's so cool. Such a big screen. Got him! Winning! And now the compatible notebook, link in the description. And this should work immediately. And there it is, immediately. 144 Hz. Important 02. How smooth this will be? Whoa. Smooth. I like that. I like. Should we play a game? Mortal Kombat. Thunder. Wow, I like the quality. It's really nice. Star Wars. Am I supposed to be impressed? Impressive. An HDR. Tons of details. Tremendous quality. All right, let's continue. If we close a look, we do have a menu, and in the menu, picture, brightness, contrast, black equalizer, game mode. Well, we can switch to the regular mode if we wanted to. It's RTS and standard. The difference is in the brightness, I guess. The response looks the same. Don't feel any differences. Anyway, saturation, hue, sharpness. That's the resolution, maximum resolution and the frame rate. Reset, Ultra HDR mode, eye protection, 3D sound, language. There's English, German, French, Chinese, Japanese, wide, and temperature, height, position, and brightness. So that's the menu. Extremely portable, super thin, super light. For example, a backpack. And off we go. And if you had additional Mac Mini, the M4 is super cool, keyboard, mouse, internet you will get from your smartphone, hotspot, then you have a full walking studio on the go with your backpack. How crazy is that? Link in the description for different models. 4K, high refresh rate, low refresh rate, it all depends what you need. That is a super convenient device for work purpose and pleasure. AliExpress, discount code for you. See you next video.